Yeah. Like I say, it could be good, could be shit. It all depends, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do this again. See if we can... Oh, we've got these ones here. How do we do these? Yeah, she's stuck.
Well, hardly surprising.
Yeah. Oh, she's really stuck. There they come. Give a bit of smoke. Because I can feel the honey. So we've got our bucket there. And we're going to put the honey in the bucket. Just scrape it off and put it in there. Then you can, at your own leisure, you can squeeze it out and bring the...
Some people are really into comb honey.
Oh, they are. We'll try and save as much as we can, but we'll see how we go first. See, look at that, she's full.
Wow.
So look at your honey there. Oh,
Wow,
it's a lot. It's all right. Was that the dog? Gotcha.
Yeah.
Sting you?
This one.
Are you all right?
Yeah.
Not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Come on.
It's a good amount of time.
So, try and chase them away. See how they're trying to load their bellies up?
Yeah, yeah.
So, we're going to try and... You're going to get bees in this, but we'll try and save some of this for you. Oops, we'll drop one. That's no good. We've got heaps in the lid as well. Oh, poor little bees, going to lose a few.
Wow.
Yep.
How are you with bee stings?
I swell up.
Yeah?
Yeah, I take an antihistamine before I came.
Yeah, yeah.
Good.
I've got plenty of that.
Yeah. Right, that's it. Come on. I might have to go and bloody put some more in here. What's going on here? To be hard to get out of this.
Yeah.
And I think we are too. Trying to manipulate it. I think we're going to struggle here.
Right. That's because it's so stuck up with that.
Oh, yep. Acid got me through my glove. Ah, broke a frame. Damn. Didn't want that. Damn. Okay. Let's try the other side. I think we're going to be struggling here. Because it's so jammed up. There we go. We might be alright this time. See if we can get him up. There goes 1, 2, yep. So maybe we can get him straight out. There, look at that. Eggs. That's full of eggs. See if we can see Her Majesty. So I reckon we're better off splitting it.
Yeah?
Yep. I reckon. I think that's what we'll do. I think we'll split it. I think that's the wisest thing to do here. Because it's going to be full of eggs. You don't want to lose them. So we'll put that there. Come out of there. See what else you got. This one, honey, or... Oh, she's a mess. She's stuck. Yeah, brood again. And honey. So we'll find some eggs. We'll go from there, I reckon. Get that one there. That one there. We'll take 3 out of this, or maybe 4, I think. 4 frames.
Okay.
And then I've got to find one with eggs. Otherwise, they won't make a queen.
Okay.
They got no way of making a queen, so. Bless you.
Thank you.
That's drone. They can stay there. Drone again. Trying to see if there's any eggs. It's very hard to see without the sun. Alright, no eggs in there. That side. Oh, there we go. We've got some larvae there and some eggs. I think. No. Yeah, I think so. So we'll grab that one. I haven't seen a queen yet, but I don't expect to. Doesn't matter as long as we keep. As long as there's eggs in both.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter which one she's in, because she'll make. Oh, geez, that's stuck.
Yeah.
She'll make whatever, you know. She'll make a brood. Regardless, I'll make a queen regardless. You see. Oh, look at that.
That looks like
This is a winner. This one. Yeah. See, can you see the larvae and the little rice grains in the bottom?
Yeah.
They're eggs.
Yep.
Right. That's scaring you, is it?
Yeah.
Well, that's 4. So that's all we want out of that. All right. I'll put flames in the middle in a minute. So we'll how are we going to do this? We've got to move it to the centre. This one's broken, so I'll have to replace that next time. We cannot take it out just yet. There goes that to there. Right, that's that. Right, let's give them some frames. Now these are what I call drawn comb. So what's happened is they've had honey on them, and after I spin them, I put them in the hives for them to clean up the honey after all the leftover honey, and then I freeze them so it kills any pests, any bugs. So we'll see how they go. Either they'll sort it out or they won't. Are they still attacking you?
Yeah, no, not anymore.
Okay.
Okay,
see how it's drawn?
Yep.
Alright. We'll put that probably there. Let's say yes, move
Oh, good.
away a bit. Push that back.
You prefer the plastic one?
5, 6, 7. Yeah. I use plastic and wood.
Yeah.
Sometimes they like the plastic, sometimes they don't.
Yeah.
But when they don't have a choice, they do as they're told.
Yeah.
You know? just the way it is, you know. These are 2 wooden ones, so they'll lay in this pretty quick. She'll lay in these, so what I might do is scrape that away down here. That's it. Got a nice clear passage. So we'll push the plastic one into the... No, we'll checker it. There we go, that'll do. See if that gets in there. Get in there. What have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do I squeeze another one in there or not? Should do. They're going. Probably not. Doesn't go in, then we'll stick with 8. 8 it is. So I'll just move that back over a bit to the centre. And that should be that. Right, we'll put the lid back on. We'll leave them go. We've got enough bees in there. Could have. We'll see when we put them back. And I'll turn this box around. Because what happens, I turn around and the other ones will come back to this entrance.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yep.
How do we turn it? What's going on there? Yeah, that'll do. So they'll find their way back. The ones that are out will go back into the new one.
Right.
You see, because we'll put the entrance at this end.
Yep.
So that's fine there. I'll get rid of that brick. Let's go. There we go.
Beautiful.
Our board is here. So what we're doing here is just got a hole in it because the heat will come up and help keep that one warm.
Yeah.
You see, because it's new. This one go here, which should be, where's the entrance? I can't see. There's the entrance. So we'll leave that there like that for now, because it's for a different box. There we go. So we've got a bit of a mismatch, but we should be alright, I hope. We'll find out, eh?
You will.
Did you want a frame of honey?
Sure. Is that possible?
No. I just realised we can't. But you've got some in the bucket there.
Yeah, that's fine. It doesn't have, you know,
Yep.
we don't have to have honey now.
No, well, it's all eggs at the moment. Oh, they've got honey here. Here we go.
Yeah.
We've got that. So, more frames.
Doing a great job, guys. Girls, I mean.
They will. Don't worry. They'll do what they've got to do. They know what they're doing.
Yeah.
So you see all that is.
Yeah.
They'll fix it up in no time. You watch them.
Right.
They're amazing what they do. The thing is, I didn't see any swarm cells, so it looks like they haven't swarmed.
Okay.
This is 10 frames, isn't it? So and make sure you put your bucket in the sink.
Yeah.
You know, sit it in the sink so all your honey goes in the sink, not in the, and work from the bucket in the sink.
Yep.
Otherwise you'll get honey everywhere. And have a container full of water so you can wash your hands straight away. away. Don't get any water in the honey, otherwise it's no good.
Yeah.
All right. Here we go. Maybe checkerboard it. I think that's 1, 2, 3, 7, another 3. So that's 4, 7, 3 more. Look at that. That one there. See the big hole? I'll patch that up.
Oh, okay.
We might put it at the end because just in case they decide to join all the comb together through it.
Okay.
They don't like the plastic. Right, we should be pretty right now. So there's that. I'm not going to put your lid on.
Yeah.
Because we'll harvest that inside, you can.
Okay. Oh.
My suggestion is leave it on the table until tonight and all the bees will be off it.
Yep.
Then you can take it in.
Okay.
I can try and smoke them off.
No, I think let's just do it, you know. Chill.
Right. This is only for temporary, so
Yeah.
it's not a permanent thing. It's sort of like a mismatch, but it will work.
Yeah, great.
All right. So that's your bees done, mate.
Beautiful.
So
Thank you.
I think we did all right.
Yep.
Look at them all on the fence.
They'll settle down now.
Yeah, they should. All right, that should be
Okay,
fine.
there you go, guys. 2 houses to go
So
in.
see how they go into the... They're trying to get in the old one,
Yeah.
but they'll find the entrance there.
Okay, well they've already started
Yep.
on that side.
But the other side, the bees are in there.
Yeah.
They will be the ones that stay in there. And we don't know where the queen is. She could be in either one.
Yeah.
But there's eggs in both.
Right.
So in theory, we should get 2 hives. If we don't, we've just got 1.
Yeah.
All
How
right?
long do we leave it for?
Well, as soon as you get your other stuff, we'll put it together.
Okay.